to my channel, guys. And in this session, we are on Indian stock market analysis session, and today we are going to analyze one of the greatest company in India. This company belongs to the second richest person in India, named Gautam Adani. Okay, you can see here over the chart time frame, its stock price decreased by minus 0.02 minus 0.07 percentage 5 day 10.12 percentage 1 month 10.19 percentage 6 month 55.34 percentage year to date 18.67 percentage 1 year 38.73 percentage 5 year 2054.65 percentage an all time high 57,183 183 7.67 percentage. Upcoming earning report, the next report date August 8th. Report period first quarter 2024. EPS estimate 970 INR. Revenue estimate 301.50 billion INR. Market cap 3.86 trillion INR. Basic EPS TTM 27.95. Shares followed 242.10 million. Dividend L 0.04 percentage. Net income 32.41 billion INR. Beta 2.89. Package price to earning ratio 121.10. Revenue 964.21 billion INR. Sectors distribution service industry wholesale distribution. CEO Rajesh Santalal Adani. Website Adani Enterprises.com. Headquarter Ahmedabad. Founded in 1988. ISIN number INE 423801 024, and we'll see some of detail about it. Adani Enterprises Limited uh, engage in the business of integrated infrastructure and trading activity. It operates through the following segment: integrated resource management, mining, new energy ecosystem, airport, road, and others. The company was founded by Gautam Bhai Santalal Adani in 1988, and its headquarters is in Ahmedabad, India. And we will see its financial report. Financial report with the close deal share 898.62 billion, 78.83 percentage. Free float share 241.38 million, 21.17 percentage. Market cap 3.86 trillion. Debt 653.10 billion. Minority interest 51.10 billion. Cash and equivalent 85.23 billion. Enterprise value 4.48 trillion. Price to earning ratio 121.12x. And this is market cap 3.86 trillion INR. Valuation ratio PE 13.29, PS 0.35, PE 122.88, PS 2.87, PE 285.47, PS 3.20, PE 80.35, PS 1.45, PE 117.24. Growth and profitability. Revenue 433.47 billion. Net income 11.38 billion. Net margin 2.63 percentage. Revenue 394.91 billion. Net income 9.23 billion. Net margin 2.34 percentage. Revenue 693.83 billion INR. Net income 7.77 billion INR. Net margin 1.1 percentage. Revenue 1.37 trillion INR. Net income to 24.73 billion INR. Net margin 1.81 percentage. Revenue 964.21 billion INR. Net income 32.41 billion. Net margin 3.36 percentage. When we will see the revenue 964.21 billion INR. COGS minus 557.64 billion INR. Gross profit 406.57 billion INR. Operating expenses minus 319.19 billion INR. Operating income 87.37 billion INR. Non-operating income expenses minus 38.12 billion INR. Tax and others minus 16.84 billion INR. In net income 32.41 billion INR. Revenue breakdown. Much of its revenue comes from integrated business management, with revenue of 981.88 billion INR, 71.68 percentage. This other segment, 14.85 percentage, 203.39 billion, and mining 80.45 billion, 5.87 percentage. Airport 59.51 billion, 4.34 percentage. Road of 49.07 billion, 3.58 percentage. By country revenue, main source of its revenue comes from India, 871.02 billion, 63.59 percentage, and on other international segment, 498.76 billion, 36.41 percentage. Actual revenue 395.37, estimate 406. Surprise minus 10.95. Actual revenue for 694.20, estimate 597.90, estimate 715.99 billion. Actual revenue 982.80 billion INR, estimate 991.21 billion INR. Surprise minus 8.41 billion INR. Actual revenue 10.70 INR, estimate 11.70. Surprise 1 INR, 8.55 percentage. Actual revenue 7.60, estimate 13.70. 44.53, estimate 20.80 INR. Actual revenue 34.70, estimate 34.04. Estimate 51.49 INR. And dividend yield 0.04 percentage, net payment next payment 1.30, and this one is payout ratio. And dividend per share 1.00 INR, dividend yield of financial year 0.73 percentage, dividend per share 1.00 INR, dividend yield 0.10, dividend per share 1.00 INR, dividend yield 0.05 percentage, dividend per share 1.20 INR, dividend yield 0.07 percentage, dividend per share 1.30 INR, dividend yield 0.04 percentage. Debt 128.70, free cash flow minus 15.21 billion, cash and equivalent 26.87 billion, debt 161.77, free cash flow minus 9.35, cash and equivalent 12.80 billion, debt of 416, free cash flow minus 120.42, cash and equivalent 36.39, debt 532, free cash flow 1.68, cash and equivalent 52.57, debt 653, free cash flow minus 149.71, cash and equivalent 70.68 billion INR. Financial position assist 765.26 billion INR, liabilities 440.58 billion INR. Here assist is more, assist 1.24 trillion, liabilities 724.87 billion INR. And we will see its statement. Statement total revenue 381.75, 266, 313, 254, 225, 283, 291, TTM 1.05. Cost of goods sold 308, 206, 216, 162, 144, 164, 173, 648. Gross profit 73, 59, 96, 92, 80, 115, 180, 406. Operating expenses 58, 50, 71, 71, 62, 91, 93, 319. Operating income 15, 9, 25, 20, 17, 23, 25, 87. Non-operating income total minus 8.68, minus 1.40, minus 2, 13.72, minus 6.60, minus 9.86, minus 56.20, minus 18.62, minus 38.13. Pre-tax income 6.70, 7.80, 11.68, 10.79, 7.91, 23.61, 6.94, 49.25. Equity earning minus 66, 1.03 billion, 580, 412. 598, 550, 866, 406. Tax minus 2.31 billion, minus 1.43 billion, minus 4.45 billion, minus 3.60, minus 3.98, minus 4.43, minus 4.30, minus 16.31. Non-operating minority interest 286, 801, minus 532, 41.06, 843, 9.83, 944. Net income 4.61, 8.20, 7.22, 6.74, 2.28, 18.88, 4.51, 32.41. Diluted net income available to common stockholder 4.61, 8.20, 7.22, 6.74, 2.28, 18.88. Basic earning per share 4.04, 7.19, 6.34, 5.91, 2.00, 16.57, 3.39, 27.97. Diluted earning per share 4.04, 7.19, 6.34, 5.91, 2, 16.57, 3.59, 27.97. Basic share outstanding 1.14, 1.14, 1.14, 1.14, 1.14. Diluted share outstanding 1.14, 1.14, 1.14, 1.14, 1.14. EBITDA 20.70, 15.12, 34.35, 27.52, 25.34, 31.26, 33.68, 117.80. EBIT 15.38, 9.20, 25.39, 20.38, 17.77, 23.66, 25.56, 87.38. And total operating expenses 366, 256, 288, 234, 207, 259, 266, 967.35 billion. And balance sheet will be an annual total assets 564, 425, 468, 516, 1.02, 1.41, 1.61. Total liabilities 402, 268, 282, 324, 719, 1.17 trillion. Total equity 558, 158, 151, 182, 189, 269, 378, 441. Total liabilities 564, 425, 468, 516, 1.02, 1.41, 1.61. Total debt 179, 116, 128, 161, 416, 532, 653. Net debt 160, 99, 94, 143, 376, 476, 567. Book value per share 137, 134, 154, 156, 202, 289. And cash flow statement. Cash from operating activity 17, 22, 13, 32, minus 3.951, 48, 73. Cash in investing activity minus 81.57, 13.57, 27.18, 84.11, minus 181.80, 174.55. Minus 200. Cash from financing activity 67.45, minus 45.80, minus 12.48, 44.56, 103.74, to 21.31, 127.96. Free cash flow minus 55.37, minus 4.28, minus 15.21, minus 9.05, 120.48, 168, 1 minus 149.71 billion. And statistics price to earning ratio to 22.72, price to cash flow ratio 9.73, price to earning ratio 22.60, price to cash flow ratio 7.37, price to earning ratio 13.29, price to cash flow ratio 10.96, price to earning ratio 122.88, price to cash flow ratio 35.39. 2021 price to earning ratio 285.47, price to earning ratio 80.35, cash flow ratio 13.34, price to earning ratio 117.24. Total common share outstanding 1.10, 1.10, 1.10, 1.14, 1.14 billion. Float share outstanding 274.95, 275.80, 275.80, 275.67, 256.35, 291.05. 241.38 million. Number of employees 1.61K, 1.50K, 1.25K, 3.91K, 1.16K, 22.64K, and number of shareholder 761.04K, 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 same price to sales ratio 0.48, 0.40, 0.35, 2.87, 3.20, 1.45, price to book ratio 1.14, 1.10, 0.89, 6.61, 9.96, 6.04, enterprise value 340.04, 265.13, 258.30, 129, 264, 251, enterprise value 16.66, 11.17, 9.79, 50.97, 66.34, 27.39, 38.01. Return on AC is 1.36, 1.26, 2.55, 1.87, 1.01, 2.03, 2.14. Return on equity 4.86, 4.20, 4.18, 5.41, 3.94, 8.94, 8.98, 8.98. Return on invested capital 3.30, 3.31, 5.83, 3.87, 2.21, 4.03, 4.68, 3.68. Gross margin 6.48, 8.11, 9.77, 8.63, 7.15, 10.17, 42.17. 40.71, operating margin 3.84, 4.92, 5.00, 5.07, 3.94, 4.94, 9.06, 8.76, EBITDA margin 7.50, 5.89, 6.08, 6.43, 7.54, 6.72, 12.22, 11.54, net margin 1.98, 1.55, 2.63, 2.34, 1.12, 1.81, 3.36, 1.54, quick ratio 0.97, 0.97, 0.93, 0.85, 0.55, 0.67, 0.61, 0.61, current ratio 1.03, 1.03, 1.04, 0.93, 0.71, 0.83, 0.83, 0.83. Inventory turnover 16.77, 14.79, 14.95, 16.71, 15.08, 17.95, 16.80, 7.90. Assist turnover 0.69, 0.81, 0.97, 0.80, 0.90, 1.13, 0.64, 0.70. Debt to assist ratio 0.32, 0.27, 0.27, 0.31, 0.41, 0.38, 0.41. Debt to equity ratio 1.19, 0.79, 0.76, 0.94, 0.87, 1.61, 1.67. Long-term debt to total assets ratio 0.08, 0.08, 0.08, 0.19, 0.91, 0.33, 0.36, 0.86. Long-term debt to total equity ratio 0.31, 0.23, 0.23, 0.56, 0.96, 1.40, 1.48, 1.48. And here is dividend. A dividend per share 0.40, dividend yield 0.26, a dividend per share in 2018 0.40, dividend yield 0.27, dividend per share 1.00, dividend yield 0.73, 2020 dividend per share 1.00, dividend yield 0.10, dividend per share 1.00, dividend yield 0.05, dividend per share 1.20, dividend yield 0.07, dividend per share 1.30, dividend yield 0.04, payout ratio 5.81, 6.13, 9.66, 11.12, 14.16, 5.51, 4.77, and annual earning will be shown here 5.03, reported 5.40, reported 6.42, estimate 5.27, reported 6.81, estimate 7.20, reported 12.78, reported 10.70, estimate 11.70, reported 7.60, estimate 13.70, estimate 20.80, reported 34.70, estimate 34.04, and others report are on the forecast. And revenue reported 373, 372, 373, 387. Revenue 803, 362, 436. 395, 406, 694, 597, estimate 715, reported 982, estimate 991. Okay. And we will see its revenue breakdown. Revenue breakdown by integrated resource management: 314.44, 309.15, 239.15, 448.71, 981.88, mining 21.12, 13.24, 21.79, 18.39, 20.14, 27.60, 18.65, road 25.17, 59.51, 49.07, new energy ecosystem 29.34, 25.28, 35.37, others 33.27, 40.48, 86.87, 128.13, 125.74, 163.20, 203.39, and trading 818, 354, city gas distribution 11.6 to 14.59, renewable energy 4.97, India segment 107, 2017 254, 2018 280, 2019 248, 2020 231, 2021 418, 2022 871, international 265, 2017 118, 2018 123, 2019 185, 2020 163, 2021 275, 2022 498, and we will see its forecast up to 1 year its stock price will increase by 28.16, average will be 20.21, minimum 12.26, current 384.95, and technical signal 1 month. RSI 14 days 63.14, stochastic 91.39, commodity channel index 58.15, average directional index 13.18, awesome oscillators 661.87, momentum 892.75, MACD level 331, stochastic RSI 88.44, Williams percent range 4.08, bull bear power 471.61, ultimate oscillator 65.32, exponential moving average 10 day 2951, simple moving average 10 day 2839, exponential moving average 20 day 2706, simple moving average 2745, 30 day 2471, 30 day simple moving average 2596, exponential moving average 50 day 242046, simple moving average 50 day 1884.70, exponential moving average 100 day 1383, simple moving average 100 day 995.09, exponential moving average 200, 634, simple moving average 200, 516, Ichimachi baseline 2603, volume weightage moving average 2378, all moving average 3400, support first 2484.27, pivot point 2582.13, resistance first 0146.82, resistance second 544, 0.68, resistance third 8307, Fibonacci 813, support first 1488.64, pivot point 2582, resistance first 3675, resistance second 4351, resistance third 5444.68, Carmelia support third 2061, support second 2324, support first 2586, pivot point 2582, resistance first 311.35, resistance second 3373.75, resistance third 3686, support first 41421, pivot 2650, resistance first 4283, resistance second 5513, resistance third 7146, and a pivot point support first support 501, pivot point 2190, and resistance first 3364.47, and we will see its stock on its super chart with a technical indicator. Okay, you can see all stock was accumulated during this phase of year 2013, where a lot of stock were accumulated, and Its all-time high green volume was formed during this phase with total volume of 1.42 billion. Minimally, I think it's one third of its total share supply. And here you can see green volume was also formed over this time frame. A lot of green volume was found over this, and this is the accumulation green volume. And accumulation wasn't so good, but here again I think stock accumulation was started. Okay, we'll try to draw some support and base level resistance line also, and we will draw the trend line over here also, and we'll draw it by three diverse pattern. And this is the three diverse pattern of this stock. Okay, and this much for today, and soon we will meet on next video of international stock market analysis segment, excluding the country like India and United States. We'll analyze on Germany or Japanese stock. Okay, until then, goodbye.